made a Roblox game, but actually it was on its Power Sling, but it's called Bacon's Absolute Chaos Game. I added Huggy Wuggy, zombies, and NPCs, and you get a gun, and you're able to, well, you can't kill Huggy Wuggy, of course, but you can kill the NPCs and try to win for yourself. The whole game plan is you're supposed to survive, but I'm trying to find the game, but I can't. That's the one hard thing I can't do. I can't find it. But I've already played it, and it's really, really, really frustrating, because Huggy Wuggy one-shots you. Like, you get touched, he kills you. Try to shoot him. If you shoot him, he doesn't take damage. But I'm trying to make it frustrating because it's absolute chaos. And you know what? I will make it absolute chaos. Every update to the game, I'll make it more and even more chaos. People will get frustrated, leave the game, and put a dislike. That's why it's chaos. Even I played it and that was a whole ton of chaos. Hey. Oh, this is my shed. Thank you very much. I'm so What is this guy looking? I've made all of these PCs by scrap, by everything I can buy. Until now, I have 18.73 million cash. Also, that game only took me like 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, like 10 to 15 minutes. It wasn't an hour, of course, because I didn't even put my effort on it. I just added and I wanted to make it so you have to find Waldo. If you find him, you get an achievement, and it gives you admin. But Waldo's gonna be the hardest one to find. So y'all should be happy that I'm actually gonna do that soon. But I don't have that yet because I can't spawn Waldo. I can't really spawn him. Yeah, but if y'all can find Bacon's. Wait a minute. Yes, I'm about to get 20 million, and I'm gonna spend it all on a building. Except for I can just buy it with 1,000 Robux, but I don't have Robux. Still, it stinks. I only got like how much? Probably in the 20s or something, 40s. I don't care. I'm not spending money to get Robux. I'm not like that rich person, or like the person who has money to buy Robux. I actually use effort in games. Like, that was my first game I've ever made. Yep. And the first game. If you're wondering why it's on its Power Sling, because he's the only one that owns Roblox Studio and we're allowed to use it. And that's why I want to buy the Lavender is Right t-shirt, but I can't because Roblox says it's out of date. I thought, oh man, I wasn't even looking. Also, I turned off music because, of course, if I teleport to the store, boom, I'm there. It's an Easter egg hunt, but I'm not actually searching for Easter eggs. I've already did that, not in a video yet. So, hey, dude, I can buy every single thing in this store. You better think of that before you spend your money. But I'm not really rich. The actually richest player in the game is I'm looking for me. Yeah, the most richest person in the game is Infinite hot dog 1 trillion. I have 19 million. And I'm not even looking at my cash. And the person with gold, infinite hot dog. Oh, where's infinite hot dog? Uh-huh. The top player on this is Declan 081508. Good for them, because now they're rich on diamonds. I'm not even rich. Rich is not like $1 million. Poor is like $1,000. Good money is like millions. Wealthy is like more than $1 trillion. Unless you're giving it to people that need money or just doing game shows and stuff, that's not really wealthy. That's like nice. And boom! I got a new store! Do y'all know what I'm about to do? I'm about to turn into gold. Store. Turn money into gold. Oh man, I can't even do that. I have to have 1 million. Which is about to happen because, of course, I have that. I need actually 10 gold. Oh, I don't even have that much cash. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. ATM, let's go. Wait, that means can I convert gold into diamonds? But also now, oh gosh. I have a bigger workspace. Upgrade storage is gold. I've had an ATM. Oh my gosh. This is actually turning into my dream store. But I don't really want to own a store. And then I'll have a gold one? I don't know. Can I buy gold? Oh, 500 gold. Told ya I don't have enough. I'm poor. And I still have stuff to make. Okay, I'm gonna make some extra. But oh, that's the only amount of stuff you can have? Oh, that's things. Also, there's no egg hunt here anymore. And also, now I'm right there. I'm right there on the leaderboard. I'm poor in the game. Except for this. I don't know. Okay. Oh, yeah, I have to upgrade a shed. I don't care. Let's go to quests. GeForce RTX. Oh, stealth? Okay. I'm at a bite. One. It also said quest a GeForce RTX. I don't know what that is. A30. I don't know if I can get a GeForce. Up 1 million. Okay. Okay, with the GB, it's a B. It's a 512. Okay, it's 512 GB and a 30C. Okay, see how much. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Okay, okay, okay. TP home. And let's actually build this PC. New. Okay, okay, okay. Let's turn off chat. Add an item. Event case, of course. I'm gonna make it like orange and white. Oh wait, I don't have premium. Primary would be orange. Add item. Motherboard. A30C. It will be white, of course. Add item. A bronze. A CPU. A RAM. Another RAM. I think I want to use that one. Can I use that one? Yep. Add item. And add a small water cooler, of course. I am done. My task PC. Quests. I am. I'm gonna take away Brian, dismantle, and add this. Oh, somebody. It's a GeForce RTX. Am I missing something? Exit. Leave. It's. Am I edit? On task PC. I forgot about the GeForce thing that I couldn't find. Okay. Of course I'm gonna do that. Of course, close. Am I dumb? Cause I can't find small mat, RGB mat, big mat, Whopper. Is this telling me I'm gonna be able to like? No, wait. I can't even do it. I'm collecting you. Oh, boom. TP. Home. I am scrapping this because I can't get it. Exit. Boom. And now I have stuff. Wait, no wait. No wait. No wait, I just... I have to build a new one. New. I just deleted something. Add item. A 30. Because that's good. A bronze 500. Because that's good. A CPU of that. But, oh man, I wish I could. Uh-huh. 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 Now that's one great PC. 512. I need the 32. A stealth. And a cooler. I wish I could add. My new Brian. Let's just go place it on the podium. This man. Wait, what did I do when it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the maximum amount. Wait, so what have I been doing? Okay, I've been mantle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I actually have been deleting them. And dismantle means I've been getting their pieces. Oh wait, I can get something better than that water cooler. Let's edit my new Brian with a add item. Move that so I can have that, because that's the greatest one. That's better. A G-Air. Is everything good? Done. Save. Okay, now let's see how much this thing costs. My new Brian, of course. Well, I'm not going to dismantle it, nor sell it. This is me using codes. Can I get a PC? Can I get a PC? Can I get a PC? Wait. Yeah, like this. Can I get a PC? 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 Which one? You smell like you're farting. Farting. And of course I have to lean towards the mic because I don't want to be quiet in my videos. What am I doing? I still don't have enough Robux. Oh, right there, right there, right there. And guys, this, okay, I'm actually gonna spend it on, now, if I wanted to, I could get this 500,000 gold, if I wanted to with money. Oh, you gotta be B! Because, and also guys, hopefully y'all had a great time watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Please. And also, if y'all can find it, play my Bacon's Chaos game. Bye bye.